The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Yaga Jubili Rupa jangka Higher Secondary Section jangka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Pynursla. La Pynhap Perdana da Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpu praterik urisau arhajar arpusan. Rengkat kejengan lang usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Pak Presiden Tensong bolong ru MLA ke Pynursla constituency. Menteri Bekmi Ketenat Arts and Culture Asan Borchulai ke MDC Kenong Shkian Kongres Mary Karpuri Kinong Penyat Kinong Hikai Bat Ki Kena Skul Bat Kibai Kibala Syakot Sengubha Hagani Kejeng Rakhe Lepun Kubu Romru Ya Kinong Seng Ya Kejaka Pulih Ki Laingut Kinong Hikai Kibala Hikai Nengkong Bat Beladap Arpusan Senam Kejeng Syakri Kejongki Bat Iki Samla Pulih Kibala Pulih Nengkong Kena ke Skul Bala penipu ipeng yang kena kejing rakyat, kejing ruai, kejing syat, bar kejing ak drama, kebagi kena skol kila peni ala kesap jongki. Uba Presiden Tensong ulang bak kejing yak lenti ke arpusan senam jongka Higher Secondary Section, jongka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Pynursla, kam day show ke lenti yat ke balengkot, bar ungit skam bak kenang yat cekamat ban ay kejing nang jing start ke babah, tang ha Pynursla, hendrai katan riwar barok kawai. Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi sarkar kebu akhmat ke Pulih Putih badodok khatsan ke sispa na ke Bahak Tengah Kejelau jong senam lamang ke Pulih Putih ke bakot lai hajar ndreus pasan pusau Kelur Tengah kebari ke bahedu pedang kita nak sarkar baro ula pentep baga Meghalaya kedan palat khatsau hajar teliki skul ke Bakershan dasan pusan hajar ngut kinohikai Bajan kumba si hajar Kelur Tengah lepun lot malaka senam ban ai ki gran syaki skul jengki deu shimet skul ad hoc bat ki skul deficit ulapan pa we gejing so sarong ya kene gejing bai tengka bat dinamarkan ni baka Pulih Putih ke lakio syaprang ndai kidang mat di gejing kum gejing kiau gejing no ashteng por jengki kena gejing Pulih skul bat gejing runah gejing pas bahaki kena ulai ku blai ke skul halor gejing dap arpsan senam ke Higher Secondary Section ha kejing trishdom ha keban ai kejing nang jing start ke bapaka bani ro ke kam bakrau ke belale da kinong seng jong ke skul ha keban penwandur ke Pulih Putih ha kejela kathan bat agari u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak sarkar kan ai jing kershan pisah ke banadu san paulak adu Kelur Tengah syaki katu kan skul ke bela syajiat ke beranda keleng jong kejela ban kentiu yaki syaka kerdan High Secondary bat ula penti kena bak skul St. Anthony's Pynursla kan yo kena kejing Arab bat ulapan menaru ban ajing Arab ru nak Chief Minister's Special Development Fund ka balai pusan lak tengkai kena ke skul ke bela tre borba ban sandur ya ka Pulih Putih ha kena kathan
25 years journey is not a joke and today we have just crossed 25 years of age. And 25 years is the prime age we use call it. It is a prime age. And I'm sure we are looking forward with our journey. And I'm also very sure this school will be able to give the best education, not only in Pynursla but in the entire Rupa mini area.
But not the least, I want to tell Father Lucas that he has broken a very, very big tradition. I must say this. Very big tradition has been broken. used to tell me, he used to go always to the seditions. They used to tell me, they have given us a cup of tea. I think they may ask for something small. But then if they give a large lunch with a lot of dishes, you can expect a very big memorandum. So today, before the lunch only I got the memorandum. So that tradition has been broken. So I must complain. And I'll formally mention this to even Archbishop and to the Rector General of the traditions also, that this tradition has been broken. But I'm sure that Father Lucas will definitely make up for this. But I want to share my last story before I conclude. And this again, not to flatter, not to, give any kind of wrong messaging out here. I will be taken in a very light way. Is that I have always seen that the kind of return in investment that is done at the level of our missions, the church-based organizations, the different congregations, I don't think we'll see the return on investment in any other sector. By that I also mean in terms of schemes. And hence I'm so happy to share and to tell you two things. Number one, that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be giving a sum of 35 lakhs for the building from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Second, we realize that the need for higher secondary schools is more because of the pass percentage in the secondary schools. And hence we are coming up with a program which is the final stage of drafting the guidelines, where private schools, that means non-government schools, private schools, which could be government aided, based on their performance, based on geographical, issues, the fact that they will be very, interior locations, and other factors, the government intends to support, depending on funds of course, anything between 50 to 100 schools every year to extend their classrooms in higher secondary school. So we are almost at the final stage of drafting the guidelines. We should be able to announce the schools which will be getting this also very soon. And we are looking at a fund of anything between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, again depending on the budget. But roughly that amount we intend to give to the schools so that they can expand the buildings and create more classrooms. Let me assure Father Lucas and the managing committee and the people of the area that this school will be included in that list also. So we will give funds from that scheme also because of the kind of work that you are doing, the difference that you make in the society, and the selflessness, the sacrifice and the commitment with which you have been working for the past decades to bring a difference into the lives of the young students and the people living in this area.